In this video, we'll show you what to do if you keep getting this low memory warning while playing Roblox on your iPhone or iPad. So this particular error is not about your iPhone or iPad storage, but it's about the RAM. So what you need to do is open the recent apps menu and then first close every single app that appears on this list, including Roblox. Once the recent menu is clear, what you have to do is restart your iPhone or iPad. After the reboot, head to the App Store and then search for Roblox. If there is an update available for Roblox, make sure to install it first. Once Roblox is updated, try opening any experience and see if it works. If you still experience problems, tap on this Roblox icon in the top left corner. Now here go to settings. In here you will need to scroll down and then find graphics mode and then set it to manual. Now try lowering the graphics quality manually and see if the game plays as expected. If nothing else works, it's likely that your iPhone or iPad doesn't have enough RAM to play the Roblox experience. In that case, you can try playing a different experience and see if it works. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.